Welcome back, everyone. Sean Casilli, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty, checking out a listing of someone else, Bill Thomas. We're going to go inside and check it out. 143 Palm Grove in the subdivision of Palm Bay. I'm going to show you the subdivision and then we'll go inside. Okay, so not really the whole subdivision. I'm just showing you the street. We're out front. Here's the neighbors. There's the iconic, what do you call that? It separates. You definitely know where you are when you're walking in. So currently listed with Beach Time Realty, and there's my lovely wife inside already. She's got all the lights on. Got this cool paver driveway. I love the garage because of the ceiling height inside. If you got a couple of sports cars, you can put a stackable lift in there. Ooh, we hear you. We hear you. All right. Check out these porch lights. Real gas lanterns there.
Welcome home.
Alice said welcome home, but I wanted to show you the porch here. Almost floor to ceiling windows out here.
Welcome home.
Oh, hello.
Welcome home.
Over here we got like a dining area and some mirrors there. Look at these columns.
And another one this way.
Yeah.
You can do whatever you want. But what I love about this home is the floor to ceiling, almost floor to ceiling, glass windows and the glass doors behind you that you can have a view to the pool. Go ahead, show it.
Yes, boss. Yeah, check it out. Very nice. So we got one room, or could be an office, right off the living room right here. Look at the ceiling height in here. Vaulted ceilings. Got a bathroom here. I feel like a movie star with all those lights here. Bathroom. Look at this. I am a movie star. I don't know why I said I feel like a movie star, yeah, but those definitely reinforce the fact that I'm a movie star. So, okay, moving on.
I love all the light everywhere this home has. So here's your walk-in closet and your mechanical closet inside the closet, so you don't get to see that.
So we have a bedroom that has a slider that goes out to the back deck and pool. Big living room here. Kitchen. There's even a hot tub here. We'll go outside in a second, but I want to show you the kitchen here first.
Yeah, stove that we love. And soft close.
Oh yes, I love this organizer. Check that out. Can you put one of those in at our house?
Yes.
Please?
Sure.
Please? Today?
Not today.
Okay, not
Move
today. Wow, bossy. All right, we got a half bath here. Laundry room right off the garage. I'm going to show you the garage because you know I like cars. So look at how tall the ceiling is here. You could probably put 2 lifts in, so you could put 4 cars in. A couple of Lambos on the bottom, or Ferraris. Well, at least, do a Ferrari and a Lambo here, and then maybe an SUV here with the Lambo on top. There you go. Done. I just spent your money for you. That's what you need to do with this garage, because you can't waste that ceiling height. All right, moving on.
So here's the entrance to the main bedroom, double doors, and they also have 2 closets. That's one closet off the bedroom, and there's another walk-in closet off the bathroom.
So here's the walk-in closet off the bedroom. Let's see the one.
There's your door to the kitchen living area. Look at all the light everywhere.
Here's the other closet she's talking about.
And you have
Private water closet. I love this. I mean, I've been in this bathroom a couple times now as we've seen it, but I really like how if you're
so much
shaving or brushing your teeth, you got a nice view of the pool just right there.
light, right?
Speaking of the pool, can we go look at that now?
Let's go.
Soaker tub. It's actually got a couple of jets in there too.
This way. There you go, your own door to the pool from the main bedroom.
And I love that wall. It's,
A lot of privacy.
yes, it's sizable. So we were talking about how you could have maybe move this chairs and stuff so you have a nice view of the pool from inside the house. But you could totally watch either the F1 races or football games, any sporting events with a projector out here while you're chilling in the pool. Or just, you know, have Alice put on a show. And then we got a hot tub over here. Hot spring. These are nice, very nice hot tubs.
Nice and clean.
Yeah, very cool. And then we got this other little building over here. Here's the back of the home. Alice, you want to take us in there?
You should have a little green over here and back there too if you have
Oh yeah,
pets.
a little pet station over here. Because sometimes pets are picky about where they do their business. They want real grass.
Here's your pool house, or you can make this an office, bedroom,
Oh wow, okay, yeah, this could be like a little hangout spot.
right?
So if you wanted to have a little get together, you don't want all the wet bathing suits going into the house to grab a snack, come over into here. And a little place to change, take a shower, or, you know, not bring your wet bathing suit all the way in to use the bathroom.
Right.
Okay, well, that wraps up this tour. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.